What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Broken Bones IV again. Or 4 basically. Oh, my record now is actually receiving $66,000. I've nearly got 500,000. And by the way, I've bought the helium balloon, so now I can fly basically to anywhere I want, so very easy. Well, not to anywhere, but like, you know what I mean if you understand. Like I can fly in the air whenever I want, but not when I when I'm finished or anything like that. Come on, hit the rocky part, hit the rocky part. I always try to hit the rocky part because that's where it does more damage. At least the dirt, at least the dirt. 16 bones. How is that possible? From going very, very high up. How? Just how? I earned $535,000! No! What the heck? Holy! I don't know what to say. Oh, holy damn. Holy! That is my... This game. God, this game. How? Now I have $1 million. Holy crap. Holy crap and moly. Dude, that's my new record. I know you guys might receive like $10 million, but this is so new to me. Like I got my record before this was like 49,000 or 63,000. But this $535,000. Holy snap. Now I have 1 million, oh my god. Holy damn, I'm doing the exact same strategy. Holy snap. Holy snap. I am going to remember that my whole life. I'm pretty sure. Just holy snap. And then imagine if I receive $1 million. Holy crap, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do if I receive 1 million, like in this video. Just wow. Wow! Come on, hit the dirt. Yes, no, that way, yes, good, amazing. Oh no, a bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright. Did you see that when I hit the floor? Did you just see that? What the heck? 43,000, not bad. Not bad indeed. I'll just go like that. I'm trying to aim for the dirt now. Ooh. By the way, if you guys play on laptop and you bought the helium balloon, if you want to use it, you hold shift lock. If you're on iPad, I have no idea, because I legitimately just looked it up right before I made this video. So, yeah. No. Oh. 107 bones. Not bad. Very not bad. Ooh. How much money will I get? How much? Hello? I'm just going to hit stop. 44,000, not bad, not bad. By the way, that's my cat meowing if you hear him. Ooh, yeah, he's about. Let's go! Yes! Stop. 30 seconds for fireworks. Amazing. I see nothing, absolutely nothing besides the moon, the cloud, and the sky. Now I see stuff. Oh, I want to see what happens if I hit the ice and the snow. I really want to know what happens. What if it does like, I don't know, 1 million damage? No, it won't do. Not bad, not bad. Not the best, but not the worst. Wow, how did I only break 4 bones? Whoa, this is amazing. 46,000, not bad. Not bad at all. I don't want to look under my feet. I'm going high up. And so is my rocket. Whee! Come on, come on, come on. Hit the dirt, hit the dirt. Hit the dirt. Now I'm doing cartwheels in the sky. That happens all the time to me. Don't know why. Come on, hit the dirt, hit the dirt. Yes, 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 hit the dirt. Yes, 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 that's stop. 57 bones. Come on, get in the water, please. I have actually never, ever gotten in the water. 29,000, not bad. Not bad at all. I want to see the leaderboards. Not bad. Not bad. Crab underscore friends. Should I look them up? Nah. Oh, there we go. Total. Record. Average. Main menu. Yes. 5 times gravity. Wow. Shop. I don't know. No, I'm going to wait until I get to the just gonna buy that and that's it. Alright, there we go, that's better. That's better. Hiya! Hiya! Now I get to fly up in the sky more and higher. Whoa. 1,000. No, hit the rocks at least. No, the dirt. Hit the dirt. Come on, stop lagging. Please hit the dirt. Come on, please. Oh, thank God. Wow. Wow. Now let me just slide the split. Perfect. Mwah. Amazing. I still don't know how I got 500,000. That is. Like, I don't get it. And also, guys, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I might not be doing any more jailbreak videos because it's kind of getting boring for me. Like the game. It's kind of getting boring. Like there's nothing much to do besides rob banks, jewelry stores, museums. I did play this morning just to test out the new robbery and the new cars, the new things. Well, basically the whole new update. And it was kind of boring, so I decided to make I think I made the Obstacle Paradise video today, I think. I'm not sure. But if I did, then yeah, I did play some Obstacle Paradise today, and I have a whole new hobby. I don't think you guys have seen it. You might have from my previous videos or video. Is that Anna? Is that Anna? I swear that has to be Anna. I swear that has to be Anna. Okay, who the heck is that guy? Who the heck is that guy? I might do a Tower of Hell video maybe. And maybe another Corridor of Hell, but in my VIP this time, since I did buy it. And also I bought the fusion coil, so now I have the gravity coil and the speed coil mixed together. It's actually not bad. Oh, come on, land on dirt. Land on dirt. I wonder what's that other place. Looks fun. I might buy it in my next video. Ooh, me. I don't know what I'm saying. How am I breaking bones in midair? How? Alright, well that's going to wrap up the video here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do, then every video that I make, you will get a notification. And also press that like button to get some maybe I'm trying to not hurt my cat. Oh God, okay. I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell for every video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.